everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? I am Sakshi and I hope you are doing really great. I hope you really had a great 2021 starting. So before we begin with anything else, I want to tell you about I have my own art supply store where you can get pens, compass, any kind of sheet, such washi tapes and a lot of things, colored pens, brush pens, fine liners, whatever you actually require for making any of your art supply. So before we begin with anything, before you want to start up anything and you want very basic supply, you can definitely get in touch with me on Art Bay Crate. That's my Instagram handle, or you can also ping me on my WhatsApp number, which is mentioned right in the description below. So now let's get started with today's theme. Today we are going to draw a dream catcher mandala right on my black paper with some colored jelly roll pens. This will be very easy and a very simple format. For this, I will be taking a 5 centimeter radius for my compass and I will be drawing a circle. Now make sure I am making a circle on black paper. You can either choose white paper, you can choose basic pens, whatever you have, that would be absolutely fine. All we need is a dream catcher in the end. Now, if you are going clueless on what I am doing, click on the right top corner I button so that you know how you can make this very same grid for any mandala you want to make. Now, using my mapped compass, I will be fitting my white pen inside this compass. Now you can also order this compass from me either on my Instagram handle, as I said before, on Art Bay Crate, or on Mandala with Sisters, or you can WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number, which is mentioned right in the description below. Now here I am drawing two circles at a very less gap. Now these circles are completely at random distance. Make sure you draw it in a similar manner. Measurements can be completely varied, that's absolutely fine. Preceding circles will be drawn only with the help of a pencil and will not be prominent enough. Now, in both of these part of the circles, I will just be making some U-shaped petals, making sure two grids will have one single petal. Now, with the help of a pencil compass, I will just be making one circle at approximately 1 centimeter's gap. You can make it more or less depending upon your choice. Choosing the next color, which is yellow, I will be making pointed petals inside two grids. So two grids will have one pointed petal. Inside these petals, I will be just adding 3 to 4 lines connecting to the pointed corner of the petal. Whenever you are working with such colored jelly roll pens, make sure the pen is completely dried off. These jelly roll pens take somewhere about 10 to 15 seconds to dry. Do not let the lower side of your hand and the little finger touch any part where you have done the artwork. Between the two petals, I am just adding a curved shape, and this curved shape will have a single dot. Using the compass again, I will be making one more circle with the help of a pencil, making sure that I have another circle at a very less gap. Now Now here I will be using a light green color. Above the U shaped, I will be just making an inverted raindrop, adding two half raindrops on both the sides, making it look like a flower. Leaving the alternate one, I will be just making the very same pattern in the similar manner, making sure that each alternate U shape is left blank. Now between these flowers I will be making a curved line having an outer lining, and all of these spaces will be filled with completely straight lines. Next, I will be again making one more circle at approximately 1 cm gap with the help of a pencil. Using the dark green color, I will be just making some pointed petals running from one side of the curved shape to the other side. The flower will lie right in the center. Now, the space between these two petals, I will be adding a good pointed petal inside the two grids. In the remaining space between the two pointed petals, I will just be adding the V shape. After we are done with all of these, I will just add the outer lining for all of these shapes. Now, inside the big pointed petal, I will just make a line art. Line art is something where one point of the line converges at a single point. It looks more like radiating and it is collected at one single corner. As this is more of a dream catcher, this will have just some beads and some threads. So adding a look of a thread and a bead inside the V-shaped petal. So here the upper part of our dream catcher is complete. Now on the lower side we will just make some feathers hanging out. Now these feathers can completely be in a very different manner. Imagine that they are some flowing feathers which are flown away because of the wind. So you really don't have to be very specific with the shape and the dimensions of it. Just let your pen flow in any direction. Now, at each broken angle of these feathers, I will just make the line coming to the center point of the feather. Just like we did above the line art, I will be choosing the same colors, yellow, light green and dark green, to make the line art in very random pieces of the feathers to make it look more colorful. Make sure you are converging all your lines to one corner and it looks more like radiating from one corner and then spreading outwards. They can either be spreading on one direction or they can converge from one point to the other point. That is absolutely your own choice. Now the very last step is to add the beads on the hanging thread from where our feathers are being hanged. So guys, here our Dreamcatcher mandala is complete. Hope you really enjoyed it. Don't forget to share your pictures with me on Instagram or on WhatsApp. I would love to see your creation. Also, if you're looking forward to buy any of this stationery, don't forget to get in touch with me on my Instagram account, which is Mandala with Sisters or Art Bake Great. You can find these pens, such sketchbooks and every simple thing on my store. So I hope you really enjoyed creating this. I would love to see your recreation. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon so that you do not miss any upcoming videos, and like the video and share it with your friends so that they can also recreate and enjoy it. Till then, keep practicing, keep inspiring, take care, stay safe, and see you very soon in the next video. Bye bye.